Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Lexus GS 350 maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, middle for enter, menu. We're going to be using that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Okay, you're going to be clicking on the menu button and use your right click to go find your page, which is here at the vehicle setting. Go ahead and enter on that. Scroll down to schedule maintenance, enter on that. Scroll up to yes, enter on that. Now go back. You're gonna have to reset the oil maintenance too. Go down and enter on it. Scroll up to yes, enter on that. And that is it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.